guys, welcome back again to another new video. It's been a while since we posted in this channel. So today we're preparing wet fried pork. So guys, yeah, it's been long since I ate it, and I hope I'm gonna love it because I kind of ate it long time ago. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So right now, we just cut everything. We're gonna put here so that we can wash it, and then we let it cook for some few minutes.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna add in our meat, and then we let it boil. And when it's done, we start deep frying it. Guys, as you can see, it's boiling. I didn't add any water. It's just water from the meat. And then, yeah, I'm gonna eat something small, and then I come back and finish cooking it.
This is the conman we have been looking for. The mama to put a fake. This is the guy.
This is my boyfriend.
Which boyfriend? Oh, Dada Yangu, the way I love you, Dada Yangu, Nateseka, Nairobi. How can you be engaged with this man? This is a criminal. He's supposed to be in committee. Oh,
so guys, what I see. My onions now. So guys, just add our garlic and ginger in our meat, and then we're gonna stir it. Add tomato, and we're gonna stir it again. Guys, let's see. Oh, it looks so yummy.
Yummy?
It looks so good.
Yeah, me too. I'll try it.
So right now we're gonna put our coriander. As you can see, it's not burning. We're gonna put you just cook on low heat, because if you use too much heat, it's gonna burn everything. Right now we're gonna add in our bell pepper, the red ones and the green ones.
Mama, I can help you.
Starting right now, we're gonna add in our spices. I'm gonna add in our soy sauce, just a little bit, not too much. I'm using my left hand. So I'm gonna add in our paprika powder, half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add in our black pepper. I'm gonna add in our turmeric. I love turmeric. I'm not missing my food. We're gonna add in our garam masala. So this is the last one remaining, is finished. So guys, our stew is ready. So guys, our stew is ready. I'm just gonna cook it under low heat, and then let it cook for a little bit, because if you put too much, it's going to burn. Once I serve it, I'm gonna make a picture so that people can see. Yes, it looks so good.
Ninakwambia ni siku moja na nimekuonyesha picha. Hata niangalie ni siku moja.
Unafanya leo. Siku moja ni shida sana.
Muda ni